Hey everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. Just did a little maintenance detail on this little black Viper, and we're kind of evaluating it for ceramic coating. It kind of needs to get some body work and such done before we go to that extent to correct the paint and put a durable coating on it. But the maintenance detail is a upkeep detail. It's for well taken care of vehicles, and what we do is we do a thorough wash. We put C2V3, which is our silica spray sealant, on it. And for the interior, we basically give it a vacuum, a quick wipe down, clean the windows, and it gets an already well-maintained car back to looking nice and gets it a nice little level of protection on top of it. This detail, it takes usually about 2 to 3 hours. It's not anything time extensive. If you need more than that, then we really need to schedule a premium package or a restoration detail or a paint correction service of some kind. So it's one of those things to where we do it relatively quickly, but we get you some nice, good protection for a reasonable price. We usually start these details around $120. And it just really gets you ready for the road, gets you ready for the weekend, gets you ready for the car show, whatever your flavor is of that week that you are working on. So if you'd like to schedule a maintenance detail, give me a call, 618-983-9706. You can also go to my website, which is visualprodetailing.com.